Adaptation is an essential part of the natural world. When species adapt, they adapt to survive and ultimately to thrive in the environment that they are part of. So in this wood, we may see a woodpecker that's brilliantly adapted to live in a woodland ecosystem. This constant evolution, this constant sense of change. So what does that mean for us? In our own worlds, it's often quite difficult to make change, to adapt to situations. How are we going to adapt to live in a more sustainable way, to improve our environment? And on a personal level, how can we be stronger, more resilient through our ability to adapt?